Welcome! If you use Telegram and often chat with people in different languages, you might find the translation feature incredibly useful. But what if you're fluent in several languages and don't want Telegram to offer translations for those? Today, I'll show you how to easily exclude specific languages from translation in Telegram, so you only see the translate button when you actually need it. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on that to open the main menu. Next, tap on Settings. This will take you to a list of options where you can customize your Telegram experience. Now scroll down and find the Language section. Tap on Language to open up the language settings. Here's where you'll see the option to turn on the translation feature. Find the setting labeled Show Translate button and make sure it's switched on. This enables the translation button in your chats, making it easy to translate messages with just a tap. Once the Translate button is enabled, you'll notice a new option appears right below it called Do Not Translate. Tap on Do Not Translate to manage which languages you want Telegram to ignore for translation. You'll see a list of languages. Simply check the boxes next to any languages you understand and don't want translated. For example, if you're fluent in Spanish and French, select those languages. Telegram will now hide the Translate button for messages in those languages, so you won't be bothered with unnecessary translation prompts. Remember, the language you use for Telegram's interface is automatically excluded from translation. So if your app is set to English, you won't see a translate option for English messages by default. That's it. You've now customized Telegram to only offer translations for languages you actually need help with. This makes your chats cleaner and saves you time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who use Telegram in multiple languages. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Telegram experience.